In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no sound in Steam games. If your game launches in silence or cuts out unexpectedly, don't worry, follow along and we will walk through reliable fixes in a clear order so you can get back to playing. First, confirm Windows is sending audio to the right place. Right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar and open Sound Settings. Under Output, choose the exact device you are using: your wired headphones, USB headset, speakers, or monitor audio. It's common for Windows to switch outputs after an update or when you plug in something new. While you are here, make sure the output volume isn't turned down and that the device isn't disabled. Picking the correct output immediately resolves many no-phase sound issues. Next, check the Windows volume mixer. Again, right-click the speaker icon and select Open Volume Mixer. Look for Steam and your specific game in the list. Make sure neither is muted and that their sliders are up. Per app volume can differ from the system volume, so even if Windows is loud, a single app can still be at 0. If sound still isn't working, verify the integrity of your game files in Steam. In your library, right-click the game, choose Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This scans for missing or corrupted assets, including audio banks and codecs, and replaces them automatically. It can take a few minutes depending on the game size, so let it finish before trying again. If you are still stuck, try running Steam with elevated permissions. Fully close Steam, including from the system tray if it's minimized there. Right-click the Steam shortcut, open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Then reopen Steam. This can resolve permission conflicts that prevent games from accessing audio devices or writing configuration files correctly. Finally, update or reinstall your audio drivers. Open Device Manager, expand audio inputs and outputs, then right-click your playback device. Choose Update Driver to search for a newer version. If nothing changes, you can select Uninstall Device to remove the current driver. Windows will reinstall a clean driver the next time it detects the device. This clears out corrupted configurations that can mute or misroute sound. If you are using a USB headset or DAC, keep it connected so the correct driver is targeted. Work through these steps in order to fix no sound in Steam games. Thanks for watching.